Though as a rule, when the prices of normal goods rise, the quantity demanded would decrease. But there may be few cases where, where this theory may not be valid. The first one is for prestige goods or luxury goods. There are certain commodities like diamonds, sports car, which are purchased as a mark of distinction in society. If the price of these goods rise, the demand for them may increase instead of falling. And the second one would be price expectations. If people expect a further rise in the price of a particular commodity, they may buy more in spite of rise in price. However, this violation of the law is actually temporary. And finally, giffen goods. Giffen good is actually a special type of inferior good whose demand increases as the price of the good increases. An example could be rice, which is a staple food in Sri Lanka, and majority of the food consumption is rice that cannot be substituted. Even if the price of rice increases, there is no substitute for rice in the food basket, so its demand does not fall. This disobeys the fundamental law of demand, which is demand decreases as price increases. So even though given goods are inferior, all inferior goods are not necessarily given. Inferior goods ought to have a costly substitute. On the other hand, for goods to be given, it should not only be inferior but also, number one, lack of close substitutes. Number two, major share of consumption. A major share of consumption is devoted to buy that particular good. So in this case, even though the price increases, the demand doesn't fall.